What's good, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. I'm back at the shop today. Today we're going to be finishing up the rust on Shawn's car. So I ended up taking Shawn's X-brace off because, as you can see in here, that one area is like stripped, so like it could cause like a clanking sound. So Mike is gonna weld up something in here for it to bolt up to, and then it shouldn't like clunk anymore. You can see how there's threads in here, and then there is nothing over there. It was a thread set, right? Or a nut set?
I shaved the nut down.
Yeah.
Ground out the old insert in the body and welded it in.
As you heard from the man, he fixed the side.
Don't use
the gun on this. You're gonna pack it up and mess the threads up, but it's fixed now. Shouldn't dangle anymore. Hopefully there aren't any more sounds when he's driving the car.
So crazy.
Finally got the seat off, and now we're adjusting the issue. So Mike just cut out this whole spot right here that was rusted, but before he had cut it out, he had redid, well, he just made like his own piece basically, and like literally it looks just like this, to be honest, and he like made it out of scratch. He is still like shaping it up and getting it to form good so he could place it up and then weld it up, and then after that this side's gonna be good. I'm not sure if he's gonna finish this today because it's Friday and the shop closes at like 5, and it's not open on the weekend, so we'll see where things go. It's finally fixed. Luma rust. And it looks OEM, like nothing ever happened. Yeah, it's Monday. I'm back at the shop with Mike. Shawn's car is almost finished. Got like 2 more things to do, right?
Some exhaust bungs and the gas cap fitment.
Yeah. Currently no gas cap. Where he's gonna get there, it's gonna be looking like mine. except for his will be matching the color of his car. Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, it helps with
God
the empties
damn.
it once in a while. That might be why he's spraying oil everywhere. It's full.
Alright, so I just took off the evap thing off of Shawn's car, and then if you look back here, there's like 2 bolts. There's 2 bolts. This one and this one. I'm gonna take them off. They're 10 millimeters. So get those off. And then I believe this right here is gonna come off on the gas cap. Okay, so got the bracket off now. I think Mike is basically just gonna extend these, or he's gonna make something on this side, weld something up on this side so the spring could sit out furthermore, and then the door will, like, the gap will sit like more out, I guess you could say. So I'll just film what he does when he gets to it, because I can't really explain it as good as you guys will be able to.
Yeah, I usually weld a long threaded bolt because every car is a little different the way the kit's fitted.
Yeah.
So that way you have threads and you can still adjust the depth of the hinge. And it usually works out pretty well. Put a small bend in the gas cap to fit a little
Honestly,
nice.
I didn't even know that my gas cap was bent until someone said it.
Yeah, I bent
Like,
it.
it looked good, so I just,
No, I bent all that for you.
yeah.
It makes a big difference than still having the flat. Doesn't even be perfect fit, but
Yeah. Nah. So as you guys could see, Mike welded up a bolt to it, and then he put a nut on the other end. So now it's like welded up the bolt, put the nut there for the space, and then the bolts like that. As you guys can see, one side is a little bit more tightened than the other side because of the fitment. So like you guys can tell, basically like this side is less in than this side because of the body kit, but the gaps aren't too bad, but that's like because the kit isn't really like shaved out or anything. It's still like in its original form, but once the car gets painted and the body guy does their thing, the body, these lines and stuff will look a little bit better. Shawn's car is finally finished. All of his major rust issues are pretty much gone at this point. I'm trying to convince him to bring his car to the body shop after this, so let's see how it goes. But until then, stay tuned. This is the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.